Dolphin Drilling Limited versus DCIT. Section 9(1)(I). Income deemed to accrue and arise in India. Business connection. No activities carried out from project office in India. So in India, they didn't make any activity. No permanent establishment in India. The interest received on income tax refund. Okay. Taxable as per section 12, subsection 2 of India UK DTA rated 15%, not 30%. The gross amount of interest as a income. A DTA United Kingdoms. Okay. Held that assessee has entered into contract for provision of semi-submersible deep water drilling rig and has shown that this rig was moved out of India in earlier years. There was no activity carried out from project office in India. It could not be said that assessee had permanent establishment in India. They moved out every operation. Tribunal also held that there was assessee did not have any permanent establishment in India. It would be entitled to have a benefit of Article 12 of India UK DTA. The interest received on income tax refund of the assessee would be subject to taxation as per Section 12(2) of India UK DT Act. The rate of 15% of gross amount of interest as in income. So even though the income accrue and arise in India, the interest on income tax refund as per the DTA provision of India UK to be taxed at 15%, not at 30%. Wow, very good. DTA provision, they are providing very good opportunity. So